Oh goodness, it's a beautiful day outside, but I have something calling my name, and it is my Stitchfix box. Oh, I can't even start my day without opening this box. I can't leave it just sit here and just, like, guess what's in here? So before I even get on with my day, I'm gonna open this box. I'm gonna try these clothes on so that I can stop thinking about it and get on with the other things that I need to do. Hi everyone, I'm Barbara with BCsells. Welcome to my channel, welcome to my home, and welcome to another Stitchfix unboxing. I think this one might be my 10th one, is my guess. Can't remember. I know I've had, the stylist that I've had is Carol, and she is doing a great job. I mean, we have some hits and misses, but that's to be expected. So let's see. Oh, there's shoes in here. Oh my gosh, there's shoes. It makes me a little nervous, but I did keep the last shoes that she sent me, the kids sneakers that I love. There's my box. Here's all your instructions, everything you need to know. So let's see if I have Carol. Oh, this has kind of been tossed around a bit. I don't want to see what's in here, so let's see. Oh, maybe it's not Carol. Oh, Carol must have given up on me. Oops, it's Laura. Okay, I'm not going to read this just yet. Maybe there's a reason for it, so well, I'll read it later. Okay, this is the price sheet and the items that are in my box. The return label, oops. Oh shoot, it's stuck to the box. Uh-oh. Yeah, that's all. Oops, okay, I'm gonna have to request another one. But they send you a prepaid envelope. It's really all kind of stuck. Oh well, we'll work it out. Okay, Stitch Fix is only $25 or $20 styling fee, and anything you purchase from that particular box, the $20 styling fee is applied to your purchase. Now, if you don't purchase anything, you lose it. But you got to look at it that you're basically paying for shipping and for a stylist to put together, some 5 items to send to you. And if you buy all 5 items in the box, you get an additional discount. I think it's 25%. I haven't done that yet, but I'm trying. I really want to. So let's see what's in here. Let's start with the shoes. I have been asking for a pair of wedges, closed-toe wedges. So let's see. I would say these are a wedge. These look like a nice summer shoe. I wear a lot of black, so I'm interested in trying these on. These could work. These could work. If they're comfortable and the price is right, they could be mine. Sorry for the noise. I've got some kind of shadow going on too today. Oh, dark colors. Okay, I am wanting some bright colors, but I very rarely say no to black. Okay. Feels so small because it's spring. All right, what's this? Oh, this feels like a nice fabric. It's kind of thin, but that's okay. It's like a purple color. Sleeve is nice. Could be nice. Yeah, that could be a possibility. Oh, here's some color. Oh, it's a skirt. And it's a flowy skirt. Yeah, I like skirts, like casual, that I could wear gym shoes with, but you never know till you try it on. Okay, polka dots. I like the fabric of this. I don't know what this is, but I'll look. I like the sleeve. I like the simple style of it, the V-neck. So we'll see. Looks a little big actually. It's a small, well, maybe not. Ooh, denim skirt, love denim skirts. Oh, I like this one. I like the frayed, the slit on the side. This could be interesting. I hope this is the right size. It's cut from the cloth, size 6. Is there any stretch in it? No. A little bit. I'm excited to try this on. I'm excited to try everything on. So I'll be right back. I think we are off to a pretty good start. Okay, let's start with this blouse. This I was kind of on the fence about because of the polka dots, but it's from Market and Spruce. It's only $28. It's a navy color. It fits great. If anything, maybe I would go down to an extra small, but I think it's gonna be, I think the small fits fine. And I don't know, I like it. I like the material, and the material is actually rayon and spandex. I think the spandex is what gives it the better fit than from just 100% rayon. I mean, this is not gonna wrinkle, and it's gonna travel very easily. This is the way this fabric feels. Normally I don't like rayon, but this feels really nice. I like the way it lays. It is actually longer than it looks. So I like the cut of it. But with the skirt, it just didn't look right. So I kind of just rolled it up, and it does look better. I'd probably wear a different shirt with the skirt, but I like it. Surprisingly, I like it. Okay, let's talk about the skirt cut from the cloth. They're $78. They are size 6. They are called the step down denim. So you have the hem is longer in the back. You have the slit on the side. There's some distressing in it. Okay, it's a little snug, and I am on my healthy eating. So I've already started that, so I know this poochiness that I'm carrying is going to slim down, but do I keep the skirt, because I love the skirt, in hopes that I get to my goal, which is being able to wear my normal size, but it fit correctly. That's my goal. So here's the skirt. It's a little snug, has pockets. But I think it's fitting the way it's supposed to fit. So I don't know, what do I do? I mean, it's gonna ride up here, but maybe it is a little snug. I don't know, what do you guys think? Should I keep it? I do like it. I love this style. I'm always looking for that little something different. This is definitely something different. I'm gonna give you a little bit closer look. Okay, this might be a better look of the skirt. I like that it's like an extra panel here, and it has the distressing. I like that. I like the raw edge. I like the discoloration. Maybe not so much discoloration right there, but cute. Okay, now let's talk about the wedge, the shoes. They are so cute. They really are. They feel okay. I'm walking around in them a little bit, and they are, they're kind of growing on me, so let me give you a closer look. They are by Franco Sardo, and they're $89, and I'm in a size 7, so hang on. So here they are so cute. I like the wedge. I like the tie in the back. This is cute. Not crazy about the strap around the ankle, but I like a closed toe wedge, and it works well with the bunions, so it conceals it. So what do you guys think? Last two items. We have the Jolie shirt. It is $34. It's a medium, a size small. It has the twist hem here, which I know a lot of us worry about that because of makes us look like we have a pooch. But I love the feel of this material. I love, I don't know, I think the fit is really nice. I like the V-neck. I just really like the material. I like the sleeves on it. It fits great. What are your thoughts? Okay, let's talk about this skirt. The skirt is $38. It's by French Gray. It is a medium, which in the hips, I am a medium, small, or extra small up here. So the skirt is nice. It's not lined, it's flowy, it's a perfect length for me. It's cute. Look. It has the elastic band. So it's a nice, simple skirt. Let's do a quick recap. Okay, I would say that's a pretty good fix. I have some, questionable things, but let me tell you, if I keep it's a very affordable box. If I keep all five items, and remember there's a pair of shoes in this box, the price is $267, discount of $66.75, which is 25%. If I keep all 5 items, brings it down to $200.25, and then my $20 styling fee is applied to that also, so I can get all 5 items for $180.25. I don't think that's bad. Okay, with that said, let's go through each item. And I'm looking forward to looking at the video to kind of see it in a different light, because as soon as I open the box, I'm trying these on, I'm filming it for you guys, so I don't really take a whole lot of time to look at the items until after I'm finished. So, all right, let's start with the shoes. These are so cute. These really, really are cute. I like these a lot. I just like the shape of it. Probably would prefer them in a little bit lighter color, but this color does work for me because it'll go with almost everything that I have. The only thing is I like the tie in the back. I think that is a nice, let me show you, yeah, added feature. I think it gives it kind of like a little sexy look. The only problem I had with these is that they hurt the ball of my feet on my left foot, and that's a problem. I am waiting to have surgery. I am having surgery. So it's kind of in the works. So I don't know. I want to keep these, but not if they hurt my feet. And then also the right foot, the string, the lace on the back, it's frayed here. I don't know if you guys can see that. It looks like it's going to break through. Probably isn't coming through on camera. So I noticed that when I untied it the first time. So those are gonna sadly have to go back only because I can feel the ball of my foot throbbing. So that is the only reason. And those are $89. Okay, the next item is the French Gray skirt. It's only $38. There's nothing special about it. I like the print. It's an elastic waist. It's not lined, and it's just okay. it doesn't wow me. It's not like I'm gonna want to look in my closet and be like, oh, I want to wear the skirt. This would be one of the last things that I would reach for, because it's just not me. But if I was keeping the entire box, I would keep this, obviously. And I'd probably wear it or give it away or donate it or something. Okay, the skirt. I love this skirt. This is a Barbara skirt. Okay, there is a big difference between this kind of skirt and this kind of skirt. If I still worked, this would be great and I would get a lot of use out of it. But since I don't work anymore, this isn't gonna get worn. This will. Okay, as you could tell, it's kind of tight, but it's not too tight. And like I said, I am on my weight loss journey to get to where this would fit me perfect. That's where I want to get. Do I buy it now or do I wait? It's cut from the cloth, so I'm on the fence. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you like it? This is a Barbara. This is definitely a Barbara skirt. Okay, this cute little top. Let's see, who is this? Market and Spruce. It's only $28. I like the material of this. The material of this is what Black and White, the store White House Black Market carry. And this is what I have a lot of in my closet from them. So this is a nice, simple, versatile skirt, top that I'm surprised that I like. So I know I want to keep this. I like it. I'll wear it. I'll reach for it. I love the material of it, and it's rayon. Rayon and spandex. Yeah, I can't explain it. Okay, and then this cute little top. This is by Jolie, $34. It's a purple. This is rayon, polyester, and spandex, but it feels just like a knit, like a really lightweight knit. I love the material of this. I like the shape of it. The only thing I'm not crazy about is that knot in the front, because it looks like you have that belly pooch going on. And I think if it was a brighter color for spring, it would be a definite keeper. So this one, I'm kind of on the fence. So again, I'm gonna have to watch the video and then decide from there. So that's my Stitch Fix. I think overall, it's a really good fix. So I have some decisions to make. Your feedback is always helpful. So if you guys wanna try Stitch Fix, you get $25 credit and I get a $25 credit. So please consider using my referral. And thank you for watching. It's gonna be a great day today where we are. The sun is shining, it's getting warm out. So wherever you are, I hope you guys have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening from my home to yours. Thank you so much for watching.